The first legislative and third-party national conference, held in Denver, Colorado from October 21st to the 23rd, brought together more than 275 AOA members, optometry students, legislators, consultants, and AOA staff to learn how the profession is being affected and to plot a course to capitalize on changes to healthcare. One of the key messages of this year's meeting was access. Multiple speakers described how AOA's efforts resulted in the Harkin Amendment. AOA President Dr. Joe Ellis termed the current climate as a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to define optometry as the primary eye care provider for the U.S. healthcare system. In a first for the AOA, the meeting combined two areas of the association's advocacy. The first was state government relations, which will be essential as state exchanges are created and where advocating for optometry will be critical. The second area highlighted third-party advocacy, which is especially important as government and private insurers revise their coverage programs to comply with the new law. Through both areas of focus, optometrists will have the opportunity to gain access to new patients and to raise awareness of the full scope of optometric care.
Other highlights of this year's landmark conference included influential optometric speakers from across the country. AOA President Dr. Joe Ellis presented an overview of how AOA is committed to helping members thrive and succeed under healthcare reform through increased legislative and payer advocacy. AOA Executive Director Dr. Barry J. Baresi was also on hand to describe provisions in healthcare reform that will assist optometry in advocacy efforts. Offering a particularly unique perspective was this year's keynote speaker, Mike Kreidler, OD. Dr. Kreidler, who is the insurance commissioner for the state of Washington, describes how states are implementing healthcare reform and discussed optometry's role in the new structure. Attendees of this revolutionary conference came away with all the knowledge needed to advance the practice of optometry for the benefit of their patients as well as the optometric profession as a whole. For more information on the legislative and third-party national conference, please go to www.newsfromaoa.org.
Research, production, and distribution by OMG National and its AOA-TV division. For a full-service approach to marketing in a self-service world, call, click, or visit OMG National today.